there's a homes is like what homes?
Sherlock
But
Holmes or what?
yeah, like not user controller. It should be users controller.
Why?
That's the convention they are using. That
Oh.
just I was also thinking, why do you need it?
Yeah,
but I said, yeah,
that's
it's okay.
It's not logic, but yeah.
Yeah,
okay.
how do
We
they
have to-
control it? Like, and homes controller
Mm.
always expect that there should be a home model.
Aha. So okay. So home for the model and
Homes for the controller.
control. Okay. So yeah, then it makes sense.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And they said that if you don't want controller to include a model,
Yeah.
there's a variable called users.
Mm-hmm.
You will write array blank.
Oh.
So it will not look for the model name then.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Mhm.
Otherwise, you will write users the home model.
Mhm.
If you want more tables to include in your controller
Mhm.
to query,
Yeah.
you will always users home,
Mm-hmm.
then the table name.
Okay.
Okay. And the funny thing is, model home will always look in homes table. The table name should be homes. Table name should be always home, plural form.
Okay.
So controller name should be always plural form.
Yeah.
Model name in singular form.
Yeah.
But the table name is always plural form. If you don't have plural form, you will not get the result.
Uh-huh.
I'm
Okay.
just telling the tricky part,
Yeah.
because other things are very easy. Other
Okay.
things are just simple PHP.
Okay.
Because in controller, you will call a model function
Mhm.
just like this,
Mhm.
dollar this home,
Yeah. Exactly.
and then a function
Yeah.
like get user.
Yeah. Exactly.
And in get user, you will just use a query. I will just tell a query about this.
Yeah.
Okay, homes. This is the table.
Yeah.
Every table in Cakephp will start with ID,
Mm, yeah.
with incremental and primary key.
Mm.
If you don't have ID with incremental, auto increment primary key, you will get an error.
Mhm.
This is the
So,
restriction.
so it's kind of locked.
Not locked is very good because you can update the data with ID.
Oh, yeah. But I mean the structure.
Yeah.
Yeah, the structure is like you have to do this. So it's kind of.
But you know,
it's
not-
good if you're used to it.
I mean,
Yeah.
when you are a Cakephp developer,
Yeah.
you know that
Yeah,
this
I-
man is following the Cakephp
Yeah,
form,
of
so you
course,
don't need to
yeah.
worry about it, how
Yeah.
he is
Yeah,
naming.
that's good.
So that's why they have a very good
Mm.
how to say?
Forum.
No, I mean support things. I mean, like everybody's using the Cakephp form.
Yeah, exactly.
Nobody is bound to my style.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah,
So, and
yeah.
this is the style. Home,
Yeah,
homes,
Yeah.
homes, homes.
Yeah.
And use table, home, not table, blank.
Mm.
And then this home get user,
Yeah.
they have for retrieving,
Yeah.
they have only one function. I mean, universal. Then you can pass a lot of parameter.
Uh-huh.
Function is called find.
Oh. Yeah.
With this find function, you can retrieve in any way whatever you want.
Uh-huh.
You can even run a
Find ID table, blah blah blah.
yeah. I mean, when you are in this home,
Yeah.
get user, you
Yeah.
can just write this find.
Yeah.
That means it will search in home table,
Yeah, exactly.
and then you can write all.
Yeah.
You can write ID.
Yeah.
You can write the table column name here.
Yeah, exactly.
There is no magic here. It's just simple.
Yeah.
All ID whatever you want.
Mhm.
Then if you want to pass conditions,
Yeah.
then you will write like array.
Yeah.
Hey. Ooh. Thanks. It's like it's bleeding.
Mhm.
Array conditions
Mm.
and then you send like array field name value field name value. This will be like this condition will be like where id equal to 1, name equal to blah, something like that. Then condition is okay, then you can send order.
Yeah, and sort it.
Yes, limit.
Oh, yeah.
You'll find this in Cakephp, how to use it. It's just normal. And this way is actually this thing actually how to say prevents the SQL injection.
Yeah, of course.
Because and this thing also database independent.
Yeah, that's good. That's
I mean,
really good.
You can use NoSQL.
Yeah.
You can use
I
SQL
have
Server.
no idea about NoSQL, but
I used it, but it's good. It's good, but then if you write in this way, if you don't write in MySQL like select or something like that from that table,
as I do now.
Yeah, then if you write in this way, do not even think about what kind of database is behind the Cakephp.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah. So this is controller, this is model, this is the you find. Update is also the it's like if you want to create a new entry, you will call the function create.
Yeah. Or
that's all.
Delete.
Yeah, this delete, this create, and if you want to update, this will be this save.
This save.
Yeah, not update.
Yeah.
If you want to create a new row,
Yeah.
you will call this create, then this save.
Okay.
If you don't want to create new row, just update, you will just call this save. That's all.
Okay. This save. That's
yeah, save like update.
Yeah.
Saving the data.
Yeah.
Create. If you want to create new row, call the function this create, and then pass all the parameters in this save. If you don't want to create, omit that, this save. If you want to delete, this delete. Okay. What's the good part again? Homes controller will look for home model. Home model looks for homes table. And where am I? Homes controller will have function like, where is that? Index. It will look for index underscore CTP. Sorry, index dot CTP under homes folder. So everything is structured. Or more slash view, and slash view is in here.
Oh yeah.
App,
for the view.
Views, and then homes is the controller name, and index of CTP. Index is the action name. That's so you can have the index file here.
Yeah, exactly.
I mean, whatever HTML you want to put is here. So this is the structure. Homes controller will look for home model. Home model will look for homes table. And homes controller have action. Action will have the same name from the view file. And it's CTP, not PHP.
No, I heard. But CTP is
Cakephp template.
Yeah, control Cakephp template.
Yeah.
Okay.
So CTP, and
and is it easy to create a template?
Okay, if you want to create a default template, they have another folder. App, views, layouts folder, and you will create a default.ctp. And you will have the whole structure there, and a variable name, and this will be printed on that variable name. That's it. Yeah, one word.